Hi guys, it's your boy JMac. Today we're gonna be doing sequence and series. So we have a question here. It says evaluate the following sum without the use of the calculator. Okay, so we are given two sums, so which we have to calculate. Okay, so I'm gonna use different colored pens. So I'm gonna use blue on that one. Yes, which is A. Okay, so let's see our difference. Negative 14 minus 6 is gonna give you minus 8. Okay, because don't forget to analyze. It's important to analyze your thing before you even start doing the question. So like as you can see, it's an arithmetic series. So okay, I think we have our A, which is negative 6, and then our difference is negative 8. We don't have our N. So before we get to business, we need to find the value of N. Okay, so I'm gonna call this the A. This is A, and this one is the B one. Okay, so I'm gonna use the formula of an arithmetic sequence to find the number of terms, n minus 1 times d. So let's substitute to find the general term of this series there. Okay, we have our a is negative 6 plus our n is what we are looking for, and then our difference with this, which is negative 8. Okay, if you do the calculations, only 2 plus negative 8, and we multiply the brackets out, plus 8. So our general term is going to be negative 8, and negative 6 plus 8, it is 2, positive 2. Okay, plus 2. Okay, so on our series there, we know the last term. So if we know the last term of the series, we can find the number of term because we already know the last term. So I'm just gonna say, okay, we know our term is equals to negative 8n plus 2. We know our last term, just gonna substitute it here. 2 and 4 is equals to negative 8n plus 2. And then it's going to be negative, you're going to transpose the 2, is going to be negative 216, which is equal to negative 8n. And if you divide by 8 both sides, get our number of terms, it equals to 27. Okay, it's number of terms of the first sequence, right? So let me just put the do the second one. I'm just gonna draw a line so that I can concentrate on the other one. So let me change the color of a pen. I'm just gonna use the yellow. Yellow. It's a very nice color. Okay, let's start again. Analyze. Don't forget to analyze. So find out it's in arithmetic series. So negative 2 and 5 minus 2 and 3, 1, 8 is equals to 3. So like our difference for this sequence series is gonna be like 3. Okay, we have our A equals to negative 2 and 8. Our difference, which is equals to 3. Now we need the number of terms. So it's the same procedure. We gotta find the general term of our series. Okay, a plus n minus 1 d. A is 2 and 8, and substituting n minus 1, difference is 3. And then we do our mathematics. Okay, gonna be times, multiply with the bracket is gonna be 3n minus 3. So our general term of this one, negative 218 minus 3, which is negative 221. Sometimes you must use your mind to calculate so that you train it, because like you can't always use a calculator. It helps to use your mind. Okay. In this series, we also have the last term. So we're just gonna say Tn is equals to 3n minus 221. So our last term, which is negative 2, and then 3n minus 221. Okay, Tn, if we transpose to the other side, it's gonna be negative 2 plus 221, which is equals to 219, and divide by 3, number of terms, it's equals to 73. So I'm gonna name this one number of terms of the B. Okay, so now because we have our number of terms, now we can use the sum formulas to find the sum. Because what are we looking for here? We are looking for the sum. We are evaluating, we are calculating this whole thing here. Okay, so let me just change. Okay, wait, let me just where's the blue? I'm just gonna use the blue one. Okay, forgive me, I'm just trying to be fast as I can. Okay, so let's go back to the A1. Okay, we're gonna find the sum of the A1. So we know the sum of n is equals to n over 2. I prefer using this one because we already have the last term. So that's why I'm using this formula. But you can use the other formula. Just gonna get the same thing. Okay, let's just do the substitution. So, okay, let me just write it as the A1 of A, okay? So gonna be 27 divided by 2. So our first term is negative 6. Okay, negative 6 plus. And then our last term is negative 214. Negative 214. Okay. Okay, as you know, negative 6 minus negative 214. Yeah, it's gonna give us negative 22. So 27 over 2 will give us negative 22, negative 220. Okay, multiply by this. So okay, if you multiply that, you're gonna get negative 5,940 divided by 2. So we're gonna get okay, yeah, it's the one, negative 2970. So the sum of this one, it gives us negative 2,970. Okay, my apologies, my mind is not here. Okay, let's get back to our yellow color. Okay, for the other series, so I'm gonna just use the same formula of B. I'm gonna name this B and to n over 2 a plus L. Okay, so you have number of terms, 73 over 2. What is our first term? Negative 218 plus, what is the last term? Negative 2. Okay, let's go and check that out if it's true. So we got it. It's negative 2 there. Let's get back to our thing. So it's gonna be also negative 220 in this bracket. So 73 over 2 negative 220 over 1. Okay, so negative 220 multiplied by 73, and I get negative 16 or 60 here we are working with integers, so like, I mean, it won't hurt, I mean, using a calculator, just, like, just to have an idea. I mean, you can't calculate the negative numbers, which these are big numbers, as you can see, so you can just punch in the calculator or pretend or something. They will, yeah. Okay, so now I got the sum of our mass apologies. I have the sum of our all series, two series, so I'm just gonna add them together. So let me just use the white one. Okay, now let's calculate. So the sum of n of a plus the sum of b. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, it's negative 2 970 plus negative 8030, because that's what they asked us to do, to find the thing, find the sum of all these series, evaluate. Okay, so our final answer is gonna be negative 11,000. Okay, there we go. There is our answer. I hope you understood, you knew all the steps. Somewhere, somehow, you have paused the video to see if you can do it first before you play the video, because yes. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you so much. Thank you.